Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenny Bond and it's nice to see you again. For this video of Try It Like Jenny, I'm going to be trying NikkieTutorials Extreme Animation Transformation Makeup Look. That's pretty long. Anime, not animation. Watch NikkieTutorials makeup videos and I'm actually a fan of her. She posted her recent extreme transformation look and it's like an anime and I haven't done any transformation makeup ever on my face, so I feel like it's quite interesting if I'm gonna try it and see for myself what would I look like if I transform myself into an anime. I'm not an anime lover, I'm not an anime fan, I don't cosplay at all. It's just that I think this is gonna be a challenge for me. So if you guys end up liking this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And follow me on my Instagram because I always update my Instagram and I think you and I could be friends. I might follow you as well, so go ahead and click that link. There you go. Yeah, click it. And yes, and also I have other social media channels as well, so be sure to click my description box and follow me there. And if you have any ideas or suggestions of videos, anything that you want me to try, then go ahead and comment down below. Also, if you have questions, just ask me because I'm gonna answer very quickly. I'm always in the internet. I'm always online 24/7. Okay, so yes, and also don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Please subscribe. I need more subscribers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think I've said what I have to say. So let's start now. She's starting off with her skin routine, so I'm gonna start with my skin routine as well. So she didn't mention anything about what did she use, so I'm just gonna use my Cover FX blurring pore primer as my base. She's mixing two types of foundations. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. She's using beauty blender, so I'm gonna try and use beauty blender too. Okay, so after she puts after she put foundation, she put concealer. Doesn't mention the products that she used, I don't know, but so I'm just gonna carve new lid as what she said. So I already Okay, I think I'm almost done, but I need to put eyelashes now. I don't really have a drag lashes, so I'm gonna use what I just have. So I'm just gonna use these Naughty lashes. So let's see if everything works out with this. This color. Okay, so I just put on my wig, and this is basically the finished anime look. I don't know, you guys, I think I'm not used to it, but I don't know if I look anime, but I think I followed and I did pretty okay with the tutorial. It's just that around my eye area right here under, it's not as clean as what it looks like to when Nikki did it on her own, so I think I need more practice on that. But overall, I love it. I think it's really cute, but of course I'm not gonna do this if there's no occasion. Not occasion. Of course I'm not gonna do this randomly. I've never seen myself like did a very drastic, I've never seen myself did a really drastic transformation, so this is literally new. If you guys have any suggestion for my next video, then feel free to comment it down below. I would love to read them and try them. So I'll see you again next time. Bye!